Hello, Michael Bull here with the Commercial Real Estate Show. I'm at the 2013 National Association of Realtors Convention and Expo here in San Francisco. And I'm here with Patricia DelRosso, right?
That is right, Michael. It's nice to see you here.
Yeah, and she's with Inland. And tell us, what is your mission here at the conference this year?
Well, we're very excited to be part of the conference this year, particularly with the recovery in commercial real estate. And the product that we're offering now is designed for investors that are completing 1031 tax-deferred exchange. We do all the work for them. We buy the property in advance, finance it, and literally they can take the risk out of identifying property and evaluating property by making an investment with us.
Okay, so this is group investing. So you guys are managing it, you're finding the property, and you're handling everything for these 1031 investors to go into the group investment, right?
That's right, and in this day and age, that's real important with the aging, retiring baby boomers who want to absolve themselves from the tenants, toilets, and trash, leave the headaches, the heartaches to somebody else, at which we do the property management and asset management, and they literally just get their cash in the form of a check or electronic fund transfer on a monthly basis.
Okay, and what price ranges can you handle? I mean, how small of an amount of 1031 can you handle and how large?
Good question. You can actually make a cash investment for $25,000, and if you're doing an exchange, the guideline is $100,000. But we're flexible. That's a minimum requirement, but someone may have more money, someone less money, and we can take that as well.
Okay, and do the investors have to be accredited investors?
They do have to be accredited investors, and what we find that's not too difficult today because folks own a good deal of real estate, and that counts toward the $1 million net worth requirement.
Okay, and since we're here at the Board of Realtors Convention, how can realtors take part in this, and so you're here, so realtors can take part in this, right?
They can, and we're very excited about rolling out a new program, a dual licensing program designed specifically for realtors, so they can obtain a Series 22 securities license by taking some education. We provide the education, and in that way, they receive both the commission on the sale of the relinquished property as well as the investment in the replacement property, thereby increasing their overall financial profits.
Okay, so a realtor
They should be pretty excited about that.
Well, I think they should be. So if they normally went into a group investment like that, the realtor may be left out of that, right? Because they don't have a securities license. They'd have to take them into another form of real estate. But you may have investors that, like you said, they don't want to fix toilets, they don't want to manage properties, they want to go into group investing. So what types of returns might investors expect?
Good question. In the current market, our returns are ranging from 6% to 7.5% annual cash-on-cash return to start. Now, of course, if you invest in an apartment building, those returns will go up faster because the leases roll on an annual basis than perhaps a Walgreens long-term set lease.
Okay, and what about exit strategy? When someone wants to get out of that partnership, what's the process there?
Two ways. We always buy with the exit strategy in mind. So our plan is to bring the investment full cycle in 5 to 7 years. However, when an investor comes into the property, he also has the right to sell his individual interest before we sell the property. And actually, we've had some investors who have done that before we've sold the property and have achieved a premium on their investment by selling their interest on their own.
Okay, and how might investors or realtors find more information?
Well, they can go to our website, the Inland Real Estate Group of Companies, and they can find a tab to click on Inland Private Capital Corporation or 1031 tax-deferred exchanges.
Okay, Patricia, thanks for joining us today.
It was my pleasure.
Okay, Michael Bull here with the Commercial Real Estate Show.
The Commercial Real Estate Show is brought to you by your friends at Bull Realty, France Medio, Atlanta Office Liquidators, and Wiseman, Nowak, Curry, and Wilco. For more information about these companies or to access additional show podcasts, videos, or blogs, visit commercialrealestateshow.com.